Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your demonetized videos due to copyright content being found and the owner pretty much take over your monetization and you can't monetize the videos yourself. And this only applies to audio or music, background music that you're using that are copyright protected. So in your video editing page, go to monetization over here and then click on the see details, and basically it'll tell you the portion that are copyrighted right here. And if you scroll down below, you will see some action you can take right here, the content that was copyrighted. So click here, select action. So we have here 3 options that you can take to solve this problem. So you can trim out the segment, which will take out both the video and the audio. So my current video is a tutorial and review video, so I don't want to take out, otherwise it just pretty much mess up the whole video. So that's not a pretty good option that you want to take. You can replace the song. This is a good option if there's no voiceovers, and again, if your video is like a tutorial and there's talking in it, if you replace the song. So in my case, I'm using a background music and that was copyrighted. So if I replace the song, it'll play on full blast, and that would just again mess up everything, including the voiceover. It'll just play over the voiceover, because when you click on replace song, let's do continue, you can see the segment that was copyrighted right here. And if you say click on add, it'll replace that portion with the new YouTube library stock audio music. But the problem is it'll play on full blast and you can't really control the volume on it. So this option is not good for me, but it may be good for you if you don't have any voiceovers or commentary in your video. Otherwise, you can mute the song and YouTube will automatically mute the song but not the voiceover or commentary in your video. So this is a good option for tutorial or review video or anything with commentary and talking in the video. There is a 4th option, the dispute option, but for sure you're not gonna win if you know for sure that the music or video is copyrighted. You know you can't win, so that's not a good option. So in my case, I would do mute the song, and in the next screen you can choose how to mute the claimed song. So you can mute all song or all sound. So this is not a good option because I have voiceover and a commentary in the video, so you don't want to be muted. You just only want to mute the song only. So this is a good option right here. Mute just the claimed song. Other audio like dialogue, sound effects won't be muted, and this is a great option. And you can also preview right here the muted video, so you can test it out, see how it works. And once you are ready, click on continue, and this will take a while to mute the song, and then it will automatically remove any monetization restrictions on your video. So let's mute right here, and video editing is in progress. So that's pretty much it, how to fix your demonetized video problems if you're using copyrighted audio music. So don't be afraid, this won't get you any strikes or anything. Go ahead and just use those options you have. Okay, thanks for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more YouTube tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and until next time, happy YouTubing.